Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam frosted vase and centerpiece. And so what we'll need is one of these tall hurricanes from Dollar Tree. You're also going to need one of these candle holders or votive holders from Dollar Tree. And I have a tea light holder here, and they come in a pack of two, so you will need two of these. I've got just a bunch of different flowers here. I may be using white. I've got some blush pink here, and then I have a slightly off-white color. But you can use whatever color you like. I've got a paintbrush, some Mod Podge. You'll need some Mod Podge. And I've got one of these styrofoam balls. They come in a pack of 3 at Dollar Tree. I have some of this iridescent glitter, and I picked this up at Walmart. I've got some hot glue. I've got some masking tape as well. And then I have some of these gemstones, which are the peel and stick kind. I picked these up at Walmart, but you can find them on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. And these are the items that we'll need in order to get the vase and centerpiece completed. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, now how beautiful is this centerpiece for a wedding? Just gorgeous and so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start playing around with it and decorating. Okay, well there you have it, guys. Another simple and beautiful glam DIY. I hope you'll give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of DIYs, please be sure to share this video with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.